Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're viewing this, and welcome to week number 1 of Introduction to Hospitality. My name is Lisa Crone, and I'm going to be your adjunct professor for this semester. This is an asynchronous class, which means all of the information will be uploaded into Canvas, and we'll be interacting through that, as well as some optional office hours that I'll have available to you via Zoom. For this particular week, I wanted to give you a general layout of how I organize all of the information. In general, it'll typically start with this overview and to-do list, and it'll say, please start here. It'll have the materials. In this particular week, it is a little bit heavy with reference materials to make sure that you can navigate through Canvas correctly. And a couple of assignments that you'll see with some due dates there, and then you'll see typically a wrap-up at the end of each of the different modules that we'll be going over. So in clicking through the week 1, so that you can see a little bit further of the detail, I'll typically start with a video just like this to be able to introduce you to the concepts for the week. We'll have some objectives, and then what you can do to watch, read, or reference, and then what items you would need to do. You can navigate through by clicking into any of these links. Please let me know if any of the links accidentally got broken. I do tend to test them as soon as I've posted things, but if you've logged on too quickly and you see anything, just let me know. And then the other and more preferable way to navigate through the course sections in each module is going to be to hit this next button here. And that'll be able to take you to the next page. So like I said, this particular week is a little bit more into the introduction and materials that we'll be reviewing, as well as 2 assignments. And I did want to just draw your attention to those assignments and the due dates, and to make sure that you notice them. I am looking for you to do your own introduction, and I have in that activity an introduction of my own to share a little bit about my background, and I'd love to learn a little bit about you, as well as a very interesting assignment on how to build a service evaluation. One of our main objectives, besides exploring career opportunities in hospitality, is going to be to really think about the concepts required in service. And so this particular assignment will have an example of a service evaluation. You'll watch a video on why customer service matters, and then I'm looking for you to submit your 2 most important criteria when you're evaluating a service experience. Hopefully that makes sense. And if you have any questions, I do invite you to log in for any of our optional office hours. I do have a full-time job, so I'm just a part-time professor here at Skyline. However, I do make myself available with set times that you're welcome to pop in if you have any question. It's typically Tuesdays at 5:30. If that time does not work for you, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'm happy to schedule something ad hoc that works better for your schedules. So without further ado, I welcome you to Introduction to Hospitality Week 1, and to view the materials in the screens ahead. And please don't hesitate to let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to a great semester, and we'll have a lot of fun together. Thank you.